Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a new Venmo account with the same number. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. And now, how can we do that? First, of course, you will need to go to the account that you have the number with, and you will need, of course, to go and delete this account because you will not be able to have two accounts active at the same time with the same number. So you will need to go and delete one or the first account to create another account. And of course, if you don't want to do that, you just want to have two active accounts at the same time with the same number, that's not possible from the beginning. Like example, can I delete my Venmo account and make a new one with the same number? You'll be able to, but you must use a different email address and phone number, of course, for a new account. But this they mean for like two active accounts at the same time. If you deleted an account, you will be able to do it. So phone or email already registered. Why is Venmo saying my phone number or email is already registered? If you receive an error message during sign up stating that your email or phone number already registered, this means that there is an active account, as we said. So if your account is deleted, you'll be able to create a new one. But if it's already active, you'll not be able to. So Venmo account, an active Venmo account associated with that information. And if you have an old Venmo account that you can access, you can learn more about signing in from a new device, as example, on how to sign in into it, or you can contact the sales or contact, sorry, the support team that can assist you on deleting this account. My email registered to a Venmo account, to a stranger Venmo account. It's possible someone else added your email address to their Venmo account accidentally or otherwise. If your email address is linked to a stranger Venmo account, you can report it to our team. You can go, as example, to verify your email. At the bottom, you'll find wasn't you, report this email here, and you should be good to go because this will send a report to our account specialists and they will investigate. And if you still need help, you can contact the support team. And if your phone number is registered to a new stranger Venmo account, of course, if you didn't create the Venmo account using your number, contact them and directly, of course, so they can assist you. They or you may be asked to provide proof of ownership of your phone number, like a phone bill, and you should be good to go. Then, of course, once you deleted the account, you can create a new one. And I've already made a video on how to create a new account. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.